Hello students, welcome to the virtual classes of learning. Now in this lecture we will learn the new definition of oxidation and reduction in terms of electrons or the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation in terms of electron and what is reduction in terms of electron? So first is oxidation. As in previous lecture, we know that oxidation is addition of oxygen. What is oxidation in terms of electron? Oxidation means the process of losing electron. The process of losing electron or increase in oxidation number is known as oxidation. How? This is the example of sodium, and we know that the atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. As sodium has one electron in its valence shell, so it can easily lose this electron to get stable electronic configuration. By losing this electron, sodium acquire positive charge and it loses one electron. So here sodium has no charge or zero charge on it. By losing one electron, its electronic configuration become 2,8. As it loses one electron, so it acquires positive charge. Therefore, there is increase in oxidation number. Here, the oxidation number is 0 and it converts into +1. So, increase in oxidation number, or it loses one electron. So, this is the process of oxidation. Let's take another example, magnesium. The atomic number of magnesium is 12. Its electronic configuration is 282. It has 2 valence electrons. So, by losing these 2 electrons, it acquires 2 unit positive charge and its electronic configuration becomes 2,8 after losing 2 electrons. As it loses 2 electrons, so it acquires 2 unit positive charge. In this, the oxidation state or charge on the magnesium is 0. So, by losing the 2 electrons, it acquires 2 unit positive charge. So, here increase in oxidation number as well as loss of electron will take place. Therefore, this is the process of oxidation. This is the definition of oxidation in terms of electrons or electronic concept of oxidation. Next is reduction. Next concept is reduction. Reduction is just reverse of oxidation. Reduction is just reverse of oxidation. In oxidation, we define oxidation either the loss of electron or increase in oxidation number. In reduction, we define reduction as gain of electrons or decrease in oxidation number. See how? Let us take the example of chlorine atom. We know that the atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. As chlorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, therefore it needs 1 extra electron to acquire stable configuration. So it has tendency to gain 1 extra electron in its valence shell. By gaining this electron, it converts into chloride ion. As it gains extra electron, therefore its electronic configuration become 288. Here the oxidation number of chlorine is 0. By gaining 1 electron, it converts into -1, means decrease in oxidation number. Therefore, we define the process of reduction is either gaining of electron or decrease in oxidation number. Let us take one more example. Oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration is 2, 6. It needs 2 electrons to complete its valence shell. Therefore, it can easily gain 2 electrons. By gaining these 2 electrons, it converts into oxide ion. Now its electronic configuration become 288. As it gains 2 electrons, therefore this valence shell configuration changes from 6 to 8. As it gains 2 electron, therefore it is the process of reduction. As in this concept there is decrease in oxidation number. There is decrease in oxidation number 0 to -2. Therefore, it is a process of reduction. Hence, we define reduction as either gain of electron or decrease in oxidation number. This is the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. I hope this is clear to all of you.